Okay, so the head teacher of Ysgol Gwyn investigates building a new bike shed. Okay, bike sheds are built on a rectangular base of width x and length y. Which of the is the correct expression for the perimeter of the bike shed? Now, we've got one of these here. Now, if you think about it, it's rectangular, isn't it? So we can do a little quick sketch. And it says, what does it say? Width x and length y. Okay, so length y there, x. Now, of course, for the perimeter, you have to add all the way around. So we've got another length y there and another width x there. So you add all the way around, you get x plus y plus x plus y. And when you simplify this, that will give you 2x, yeah, plus 2y. Okay, x and x is 2x, y and y is 2y. So it's going to be this one here. It says then the head teacher is given a formula for working out the number of bikes B that can be stored in a bike shed. There's a base of width x meters and length y meters. So the formula is as follows. Okay, B equals 6xy over 5. Okay, so what's it say here? He's told the formula only works when x and y are whole numbers. X is greater than 3, y is greater than 5. Okay, right. Looks quite complicated, doesn't it? Let's just read the question. What's it say? According to the formula, how many bikes can be stored in the bike shed? 5 meters wide and 8 meters long. Okay, so let's dissect this formula again. So what does B represent? B represents the number of bikes, yeah? So that's what we want to work out here, isn't it? Because this is how many bikes. What about x and y here? What does x and y represent? So x represents the width, okay? And y represents the length. Of course, we saw that in the first part, didn't we? So it says 5 meters wide, so in this case x is going to be 5, and 8 meters long, so y, the length, is going to be 8. So what we need to do is substitute these numbers in here, okay? You have to be careful. So do I go B, 6xy, that means 6 times, yeah? 6xy means 6 times x times y. So 6 times x, which is 5, times y, which is 8, all divided by 5. Okay, so we can work that out, obviously in our calculator. Okay, 6 times 5 times 8, so use the fraction button, all over 5, and we get 48, which of course is that answer there. Then it says a bike shed x meters wide and y meters long can hold B bikes, right? Well, we've already seen that, haven't we? According to the details the head teacher has given, what is the formula for calculating the length y meters? So how can we get a formula for calculating the length y meters? So for that, we need to have y equals. Okay, so straight away you could dismiss that one there, right? It's not going to be that one, because they want a formula for calculating the length y. So we need to have y equals. So it could be that one. It could be that one, it could be that one, it could be that one. Certainly not that one though, right? Because that's going to calculate x. All you need to do is just rearrange this, right? So there's a little bit of algebra. So b equals 6xy. This is the formula, isn't it, that they've come up with. So we need to rearrange this to get y equals. Y equals. What you do is, you've got this 5 here. Now remember, now you're dividing by 5, aren't you? Dividing by 5. So if we take it over, we're going to times by 5. So it'll be 5 times b equals 6xy. Okay? Because you divide and take it over in times. Of course, 5 times b, you can just write that as 5b equals 6xy. And then think here, to get y on its own, I need to get rid of this 6x. Because I'm timesing 6 times x times y, well, you take it over the other side and do the opposite. So, to get y on its own, 6x times in here, take it over, do the opposite and divide. So you get that. Y is 5b over 6x. That's our answer there. Okay.